I'm out here fishing. I hear people bumping my song up on the bank down there. It says tight, you know what I'm saying? Country gangster. This is how I be getting people at my fishing spots. They be riding the little boat all up in their shit. And then they get mad. Ooh, I jumped that one. A little bit of bait here. Gonna see what we can get with that. That's on. Watch your mouth.
Woohoo! Look at this, guys. We got some. Country Gangsters got some.
Hey, get the flash on.
Hold up. Flash is on. There we go.
Right.
Yeah. Get that boy. Boy.
That fucker's big, bro.
Oh, shit. Nice.
He's decent.
Nice, nice. Boy, first one in a few weeks. Damn.
I know it.
Awesome.
On head, too. I was just talking about never catching them on heads, but.
Oh, yeah. That's a nice fish. Here.
Oh, my God. Bro.
Nice.
That's
Nice.
oh, my God. That fucker's big.
Yeah, that's a carp. What the fuck? Holy shit.
Where is it? Where is it?
That's a carp.
Where is it? Bring it back up. Bring it closer.
There you go. Good shot. Good shot.
Ah, yeah. Damn, that fucker's huge, Rob.
Wow, a carp on sucker. What the fuck is that shit?
That is something else. Yeah, I got it. Damn. Woo. Told you I was going to get one. Hell, motherfucking yeah. All right.
Nice.
Oh, I got my scale, too.
Yeah, I got a scale too. Hell yeah.
Yeah, let's get it go. First catch. My boy Rob. Oh, man. Big one. I caught someone else's line.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, he was on someone else's line.
Ah.
Sure was.
No wonder why he's dancing
He
around
ain't even
so
on my
decent.
hook. Nope.
Dude, look at that.
I straight caught it on someone else's line,
Yeah,
bro.
his tail's kind of fucked up too.
Someone else had got him and broke. Damn. Yeah, that's big, Rob. That little hook.
Look at that.
There's this little hook in his face. Look, that's the hook I brought him in on. Damn. Not even my hook.
Yeah, his hook's over here, big old cat hook.
Yeah. Let's get a weight on that. Country gangster. Oh, look at that. Recording. Country gangster out here. We was catfishing, but caught this carp. We're about to let it go.
Roughly about 8 pounds. Just wait.
Come on over here so you can see it hit the water too. I'm gonna do it right there in the middle of that thing.
Brother.
Bye.
Hey, I saved that sucker's life.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, normally I'd use that.